So first of all, what's your name again?
Lorraine.
Lorraine?
Yeah.
Okay, Lorraine. Go against the wall first. You saw me do this a couple times already. See, Lorraine, how you feel with it.
Everything against the wall?
There we go. Good. With the legs, what about the legs? And heel against the wall too, good. Heels all the way, good. And then head against the wall too. Ooh. Causing electrical impulses in the room today. How's that feel?
Awkward.
Fantastic, I like awkward. Do it the right way, okay? So I want you to sit there for about maybe 30 seconds for you. And if the head doesn't come all the way back, that's fine. If the head can come back where it feels awkward, that's okay too. Okay, let's face this way. All the way. And this I'm going to do is have you, whether you use your walker, is just roll your feet back and forth. See how it feels. And I want you to use the walker if you can in front of you, so you stand up straighter too. Oh, there we go.
This far?
Yep, that far.
Oh.
All right.
I tried it here.
Sorry about that. I want you to train your balance so it becomes more confident here. When you go here, that's fine, but here there's more confidence. And then you lean back more when you're doing this too, and make that back stronger. That's the plan, Lorraine. Okay? So we're going to roll our feet back and forth. Just roll back and forth. There we go. Good.
The walker moves too.
Yes, it does. So if you want to lock it in, you can lock it in and see.
Because otherwise...
There we go. Here you're going to move. That makes sense. Yes. That's too much balance training if your walker keeps moving. You can bring that back heel up. Good. Further up if you can. There we go. Good. And switch feet. And head up the whole time. Sorry looking, Lorraine. No looking.
Don't look at my feet.
No looking. Don't look at your feet.
That's my problem. I keep looking at
That's
my feet.
okay. It's easy to do, but then your back gets weaker and weaker. Trying to avoid that with it. Good.
I can't look down below.
Exactly. Look more at the water over there or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
But when you normally walk, you don't walk. I mean, I don't walk looking at the water. I look down.
Exactly. Most people do. But that trains your body. Even if you're not moving your neck and shoulders or walking like this, my body becomes my normal. I want your body back here where it feels more confident back here.
Okay.
23 inches taller, okay, Lorraine?
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to walk this way. I want you to walk heel to toe. Walk in front of you, looking straight ahead. Take a step like you're in a wedding. Pause. Pause. How does that feel?
Okay.
And then turn around for me too. Let's try the other way. That's how this feels. Head up. Good. There we go.
It's to stay straight. That's all.
Yes, that's the tough part. And slow it down too. Take your time. Go a little bit further. And again, heel to toe. Really focus on those feet. Good. Feels weird, right?
Yes.
Fantastic. Let's go one more way this way. Let's see how that feels. Take your time. Good. In front of you. Good. People ask you here why you're walking like that. So I'm going to get married. I'm going to make sure I practice my wedding.
That's a good idea.
That's what I'm saying. And see right there for me, try this too, where you are right now, going forward. Now go backward, but I want you to, when you go backwards, is now watch my feet first. Go toe to heel. Toe to heel going backwards now. There we go. Nice and slow. Make sure you pause each step too, okay? Head up, head up, head up. There we go.
Oh.
Woo, it's work. Gonna wear you out today.
No, I just, I feel like I'm dizzy.
A little balance issue, right? Yeah.
Is that what it is?
It is, yeah, balance is off. Good. So we train our balance. Does that feel okay?
It feels alright. It's really strange.
I know.
Because I don't walk straight.
That's the thing is, but if we're used to here, our body tells us that's your straight. This is your straight, this is your straight. We got to get our body back to normal straight using a wall, and then get our body where it feels straight to strong and better balance, better position.
Yeah.
Once we get here, stay here long enough, the muscles will go from tired and weak to strong and relaxed. And we have more energy. And we feel like we're 65 instead of 75. All right? Lorraine, good. Back again. I've got more gold stars next time for you guys.
Next time.
Any questions at all?